guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a dye project. I am working on transforming my Christmas tree from a green pine tree to a white snowy Christmas tree. This year my theme for Christmas is going to be a bit of a white snowy like, and if you want to save yourself $1 like I do, instead of buying these $300 tree, you can do it yourself. And keep watching for the transformation. And also don't forget this right here, in case you're thinking, the bookcase I got from IKEA. It came with this wooden spot, and I'm trying to make sure it's all white for my living room because that's also the theme for my living room. So today we're going to be transforming the bookcase and the Christmas tree. So keep watching and see how I transform this bookcase and the Christmas tree. This I got from Amazon. This is what we're using today for the Christmas tree, for the white look. And this is what we're gonna use to get rid of that wooden spot on the IKEA bookcase. And then this is for the Christmas tree. I just wanna make sure you guys see that there's a difference because I'm not using one of this for two of the project. This is for the Christmas tree and this is for the bookcase. Let's get to work. Looks like it's been fluffed out. I took it apart. I've used this tree for about 2 or 3 years, I think, but this year we're gonna give it a little spin. I want to change the pine green to snow white, so keep watching to see the transformation of this tree. Let's get to work. My fingers, my wrist hurts from the spraying, but this is the finishing touch of my green tree. When you look at it right now, it looks like snow fell on the pine tree. Basically, that's the look and the aim that I was going for. I didn't want it too white. So if you look at it, you can still see a bit of the green in the spray. This dries in about, I'm gonna leave it overnight. It says it dries sometime 2 hours. But it's wintertime already, so I know it's gonna dry by nighttime. All right, guys, like I told you earlier, this primer is it's very strong. It has a strong odor. When I did the Christmas tree, I didn't use a mask because it wasn't that strong and I could, you know, I'm not that lightheaded. But I would recommend that you wear a mask before spraying the wood down with the primer, and that's exactly why I'm showing you guys that I'm gonna put on my mask, because this has a lot of chemicals. So let's get to work, guys. I'm gonna put my mask on. One more reason to be wearing a mask besides coronavirus. All right. The Christmas tree was pretty easy for me, so this I have to take my time because I don't want to mess up on it.